Hello friends, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to join the first two motifs. I am here ready to begin joining motif number 2 to motif number 1. I'll start by placing a marker in any of the corners of motif number 1. I'm going to begin row 5 on motif number 2. Single crochet in the chain space, chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 treble crochets in the chain 5 space. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 2, 1, 2. I am now ready to start joining the motifs. I'm going to make one slip stitch in the middle chain of motif number 1. The slip stitch is going to count as my third chain on this cluster. Look for chain number 3, 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch. Make sure the right sides of the motifs are facing up. I joined the first corner. Remember, the slip stitch counts as my third chain on this cluster. So now I am going to chain 2 and go back to work on motif number 2 and complete my cluster. 3 treble crochets. 1, 2, and 3. I joined the first corner. Now I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. The slip stitch is going to count as my fourth chain. I'm going to look for the next chain 7 space on motif number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to slip stitch. Bear with me because I have the camera in my face. Slip stitch. Chain 3 to complete the 7 chains. 1, 2, 3. I am now going to make a single crochet on motif number 2. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to look for the chain 7 space on motif number 1. The fourth chain. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I'm going to insert my hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now chain 3. 1, 2, 3. This completes my 7th chain. I have 3 chains, slip stitch, and 3 chains. That equals 7. I am now going back to work on motif number 2 and complete my cluster. 3 treble crochets in the chain 5 space. 1, 2, and 3. I joined it in 3 places. Now I'm just going to join it to the last corner. Chain 2. 1, 2. Remember, my two right sides are facing out. Look for chain number 3, 1, 2, 3. Insert my hook and make a slip stitch. The slip stitch counts as my third chain. Now 2 chains. 2 chains, the slip stitch plus 2 chains equals 5 chains. I'm going to go back to motif number 2 and complete the cluster. 3 treble crochets. 1, 2, and 3. I am done joining the motifs. So now I am going to continue to complete row 5 on motif number 2. Chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Single crochet in the chain 5 space. Chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 treble crochets in the chain 5 space to begin a cluster. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 treble crochets in the same space. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is what I have so far. Single crochet in the chain 5 space. Chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A cluster. 3 treble crochets in the chain 5 space. 1, 2, and 3. 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 treble crochets in the same space. 1, 2, and 3. 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Slip stitch in the single crochet I made at the beginning of the row. And close. Chain 1 for security and add my thread. I am done joining the first 2 motifs. I'm going to come back and show you how to join the third one. If you like my content, I appreciate it if you like, comment, share, and subscribe. That helps my channel. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.